Who was the first person to step on the moon? Correct answer is Neil Armstrong. What is the name of NASA's Mars rover that successfully landed on Mars in 2021? Correct answer is Perseverance. Which space telescope was launched in 1990 and has provided stunning images of the universe? Correct answer is Hubble Space Telescope. What is the name of the space shuttle that tragically disintegrated upon re-entry in 2003? Correct answer is Columbia. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Correct answer is Mars. What was the first human-made object to reach the moon? Correct answer is Luna 2. What is the largest moon of Saturn, which has its own atmosphere and liquid oceans? Correct answer is Titan. What is the name of the first American woman to fly in space? Correct answer is Sally Ride. Which NASA mission was the first to land humans on the moon? Correct answer is Apollo 11. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct answer is Jupiter. Which NASA space telescope was launched in 2003 to study the universe in the infrared spectrum? Correct answer is Spitzer Space Telescope. Who was the first American astronaut in space, making a suborbital flight in 1961? Correct answer is Alan Shepard. What was the name of the first American space station, which operated in the 1970s? Correct answer is Skylab. What was the name of the first space shuttle ever launched in 1981? Correct answer is Columbia. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? Correct answer is Saturn. What is the name of the first successful mission to land a spacecraft on Mars in 1976? Correct answer is Viking 1. Who was the first woman to travel to space aboard the Vostok 6 in 1963? Correct answer is Valentina Tereshkova. What is the name of the largest moon of Jupiter, known for its heavily cratered surface? Correct answer is Ganymede. Which NASA mission was the last to carry humans to the moon in 1972? Correct answer is Apollo 17. What is the name of the dwarf planet visited by NASA's New Horizons mission in 2015? Correct answer is Pluto. What space telescope was launched in 2018 to study the universe in the infrared spectrum? Correct answer is James Webb Space Telescope. Who was the first human in space, orbiting Earth aboard Vostok 1 in 1961? Correct answer is Yuri Gagarin. What is the name of the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter? Correct answer is Ceres. What is the name of the first successful space shuttle mission in 1981, which launched the shuttle Columbia? Correct answer is STS-1.